right, where are we heading?
Universal!
All right, so here's our virtual line options. We have Fast and Furious, Hagrid's, and Jimmy Fallon. Eesh. Which one should we get?
Spoiler alert, not Jimmy Fallon.
You said you wanted to ride Dueling Dragons.
Yes, this way, right?
Seuss Landing or Harry Potter?
Seuss Landing.
Yay, Jurassic Park! She couldn't even fake it.
It's not real.
Oh my God, guys, here is roller coaster update number 243,641. They are welding a piece of metal. New roller coaster coming to Universal Orlando at some point. It is definitely not empty here, is it? Yeah. There's a decent amount of people here at Universal Orlando. Now this is the Islands of Adventure that I know and love. Still one of the best rides in the park. Hey, we're gonna go to Spiderman! So best part of Spider-Man?
Didn't get sprayed with water.
No silly water effects. The adventure lives on at Universal Studios. Ready?
The adventure continues.
Hooray! Oh my God, look what it is.
It's all up in your eyes. Just start with your hand.
What'd you find? Yeah, nope, I'm not an MBF. I don't need to wait in a giant line to see this. Why are they selling Stormtroopers or else? What? It's the Move It guy! What's his name?
Move it guy.
Move It guy! Can we go back to before all this craziness? We basically only came into Diagon Alley to say, suck it, JK. Or Men in Black? Which is it? Men in Black. Best part about social distancing parks? No pre-shows! Hooray!
It's not a real elevator.
So it's definitely a little quieter over here at Universal, but it's nice.